I've shared salads in a jar with all of you before, and I know how much you love them. Well, this is a chicken burrito bowl. Super easy, beautiful colors, and if your family likes Mexican grill style salads, this is just the thing. And because it's packed in a mason jar, you can make them up to 3 days ahead for a quick meal to take on the go or to enjoy at home. Don't you love how colorful this all is? Now, if you're having your family over, having a bar of ingredients like this for everybody to fill their own bowls is perfectly fine. But when you build it in a jar, you can make them up ahead. I'm gonna use a tablespoon measure. I'm gonna add my dressing to the bottom. You can certainly skip the dressing entirely and have everybody just put it on top at the end. But I like the dressing because it's got some lime juice in it, so I can add my avocado right on the bottom, and it will be less likely to brown because it's going to be coated in some of that lightened up cilantro ranch dressing. So just break it up a little bit, and now we just build with everything else. I pulled black beans out of the freezer, and I cooked the quinoa yesterday. I'm gonna start with some hearty peppers to go into the bottom here first, and then we'll add an amount of quinoa. Do you like quinoa? If it's not your thing, you can do some brown rice instead if you choose to. You're just gonna add a layer. This is a nice main dish meal. We'll take some black beans. These were cooked in the pressure cooker. And if you like, push them against the side of your jar and it makes for a really pretty look. You can use frozen corn. I'm using canned corn today. Add those on the side. I've got a scoop of sliced up tomatoes. It's looking good already, isn't it? And then we'll finish with some lettuce. You can do any kind of greens that you like. So if you want to do some kale, you can. And then add your chicken right over the top. These are fine to use up within 3 days. And if you prefer, cut up your chicken, freeze it, and just pull the packet out the day that you want to serve it. Okay, I think we got it all in there. You can absolutely serve it with some grated cheddar and maybe some crushed tortilla chips. But take a look. Chicken burrito bowl. So good and fun to have these made up ahead so that you can gift them or have a quick dinner when you need it.